This morning, we're looking at the growing shortage of truck drivers. More than 70% of the goods we consume are carried on the nation's highways.
Wait, can you drive on the water? Oh shit, I'm driving on the water. Oh fuck. Uh, um,
A new report says the industry needs to hire roughly 90,000 new truckers each year to keep up with demand.
oh look, you can pick your character. I'm gonna be this guy. This guy looks like me. Well, let's go to Seattle. That's where all the stuff is at. A tutorial? I don't want a tutorial. Do I look like a truck driver?
Chris Van Cleve shows us why so many of those jobs are unfilled and how it would drive up cost for you.
The American trucker carries our country.
Excuse me, guys. I gotta make it through. You know, I gotta take the shortcuts in life. Why work harder when you can work smarter? Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. I just want to pass through. All right. Thanks. Thanks for understanding. Bro, you're on the wrong side of the road. It's these drivers, man. I swear. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Got a wrong way violation. So I'll just let you guys pass, and we'll be on our way. Please allow me to pass, Monsieur. Have a good day. What a nice fellow chap. What a nice man.
Oh shit, no, please. Oh no. I can explain. I can explain this. Oh, it still works though, so we're good.
Oh no, it's the boss battle, guys. This is the boss battle we've been waiting for. Oh, I'm gonna be able to take him in one hit. I got him, I think. Oh, he's still on me. I gotta pull him over to the side. I gotta do the diamond exclamation point Alpha Bravo maneuver.
Life is a highway, I wanna ride all night long. Cause if you're going my way, I wanna ride all night long. Wait, what the f- dude?
Why do you have a gate, dude? What is the purpose of having a gate? That's so weird. You know, truck driving is pretty hard.
There's a sense that people just don't want to be truck drivers. Why do you think that is?
It's a hard life. I mean...